are watching Kiddo's Kaleidoscope.
At the construction site. Today we're going to the construction site with Bradley the Builder. Hi there, Digby Digger. Please dig a trench so I can check that your bucket is working. Digby springs into action and quickly digs a trench. Hi, Carla Crane. Please move those blocks so I can check that your crane arm is working. Carla swings around and moves the blocks easily. Hey, Lewis Loader, please load the dirt from the trench onto Debby the Dump Truck. And Debby Dump Truck, already dumping onto the dirt pile, sir, Debby says. Bradley looks around the site. We seem to have completed the job already, he says. Gary the garbage truck. It's very early in the morning. Gary the garbage truck is ready to go to work. Dobby the driver and Henry the helper travel with Gary the garbage truck. Off to Main Street. There will be lots of trash to collect today. They stop so Henry can empty the trash bags into the scrapper at the back. They collect a lot of trash bags. Soon, it's time to go home. Gary and his friends are happy to help to keep the town clean. Everyone loves the ice cream truck. Iggy, the ice cream truck, is doing his rounds of the neighborhood. All the little animals are listening out for Iggy's musical chimes. As Iggy drives down the street, he starts to play his favorite tune. Iggy stops near the little ones. They excitedly begin to form a queue. Dana, the driver, is ready to serve ice creams. The little pig has strawberry with sprinkles. The little mouse has chocolate with wafers. The little dog has vanilla ice cream. The twin tortoises have mint ice creams. Am I too old to order an ice cream? An old lady is in the queue too. Dana replies, "You're never too old to enjoy ice cream." After all, everyone loves the ice cream truck.
Subscribe for a kaleidoscope of joy. Let the adventure begin.